She's been in for quite some time now, the old mutton bird. Right, see how she's cooked up. See how she's smoked up. She's been going in there for quite some time. So let's have a look. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty damn good, I think. Yum. I reckon she's done. Yum. Looks pretty good. Let's give it another 20 seconds or so. I'll turn this off. Right. So the little camp oven done the trick so far. Oh, that's hot. I'll do it, I reckon. Alright. Yum, let's have a look. Look at that, folks. Smoked mutton bird. Looks damn good. Come out alright. Has a real nice smoky smell to it. Beautiful. There you go, folks. Smoked mutton bird. Cheers, all.